So yeah, unfortunately the road apparently doesn't go on forever, and the party does eventually come to an end. The legendary Texas music singer, songwriter, Hall of Famer, Robert Earl Keen has announced his retirement this year in January. Keen has been quoted in a recent video he shared to social media saying, "I have been blessed with a lifetime of brilliant, talented, colorful, electrical, magical folks throughout my life. This chorus of joy, this parade of passion, this bull rush of creativity, this colony of kindness and generosity are foremost in my thoughts today. It's with a mysterious concoction of joy and sadness that I want to tell you that as of September 4th, 2022, I will no longer perform publicly. So it comes time to close a chapter. A chapter that's lasted 21 albums and produced hits like The Road Goes On Forever and The Party Never Ends, Gringo Honeymoon, and the locally loved mega hit Corpus Christi Bay. On this final tour, he will do shows on dates between August 4th and September 4th, Corpus Christi being the first stop on his legendary final world tour of Texas. And this is where we come in. We've been commissioned to do a sign for his final stop in a city where it all started. And that's what this video is all about. Although short and sweet, it means a lot to be a part of something so big and timeless, no matter how small. Follow along as we build Robert Earl Keen's stage dedication sign and a star for a local staple in Corpus Christi, the Executive Surf Club. What are we doing, girls? Making a sign?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, right?
Hey guys, Gary Jonas with Coastal Woodworking Concrete Designs. We're here at Neely's printing today. He's printed up a sign for us for the Executive Surf Club honoring Robert Earl Keen, the singer-songwriter. The man's retiring, they're dedicating the stage to him, and luckily they entrusted us to build him the sign. So we're over here, Mark's printing up for us. He's going to explain his printing machine for us. What we got going on, Mark?
So right now we're doing a spot UV print, which will be an all-over print with a white base and a UV coating filter. So right now we're putting down the blue. It's going to come in. Once it's on there, it's already dried, ready to go. Then we're going to go back with the spot UV on top and build up the white to make it look more three-dimensional. Then back here we also have the rolling going for the concrete design. This is going to be basically like their Walk of Fame star that they're going to do for him. We're going to print this out as crop marks. We'll then get it laminated, bring it back in, cut it down, and it'll be ready to install.
Very cool. Very, very cool. Well, excellent, guys. We'll have the project finished up here in a little while, and then we'll have the final product for you guys to check out. Stay with us.
Hey, Mark, can you give us your websites that they can find you on, and also your address, Corpus Christi?
The website, the easiest way to find us is on Neely's Print on Demand. Then we also have our Facebook page, which is Neely's Printing and More. And we also have the email address, which is neelysprinting@gmail.com.
Perfect.
And then the shop phone is 361-452-1968.
You know, everybody we work with, we require a minimum beard length to do business with us. It's a requirement. You can't work with us unless you have a minimum beard length, okay? Just so everybody knows. automotive woodworking shop, you never throw away rags. So all the old white t-shirts and old sleeping pants and all your old clothing turns into rags eventually.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving has got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time.
Looks
Take
good.
this slow. We've got
Looks
miles
good.
behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you
I don't think you're
the
gonna be able
rest
to
of
reach
my
it that way.
life.
Maybe.
Let's not waste
Yeah.
time. Oh, take this slow. You got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always
So yeah,
be better than
that's it.
two.
an ending to a magnificent era. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you to all of our social media subscribers. Thank you to all of the island and coastal clients who continue to hire us and provide us with the means to do these videos. We are more grateful than you will ever know. Lastly, if you stuck around this long and you like what you see, please smash the subscribe button below and click on the bell notifications for more videos like this one. We are a local woodworking and concrete design company located in Corpus Christi, Texas. And these are the people who keep us in business. We are so grateful for all of our clients and equally as grateful for all of our subscribers. My name is Brandon Cobble, and I guess that's a wrap. Cheers.
Better than